Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge rounds. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get baking. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. Finally, gradually add the cocoa powder and flour, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your delicious fudge dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. The edges should be set, but the centers will still be soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once your fudge rounds are completely cool, it's time for the best part. The frosting. Prepare a rich chocolate fudge frosting. Spread about 1 tablespoon of frosting onto the flat side of 1 cookie. Then, gently sandwich it with another cookie, pressing lightly to secure. These homemade treats are truly irresistible. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious fudge rounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.